Hi guys, what's going on? Just want to tell you a little bit about a dress that I recently purchased online. It's really nice. It's called Milumia Women's Vintage Floral Print Boho Split Wrap Slim Dress. Bit of a tongue twister there. So basically I was looking for a dress that I could just wear to my sister-in-law's rehearsal dinner because it was at a pretty fancy place, and it was back in April, and I didn't want to get anything, like I didn't want to get a summer dress because it was still pretty cold. It was like in the 50s, and I wanted something with long sleeves. So I was looking online and I came across this. The first thing I just want to point out is that the picture is deceiving in a way, as it looks like you don't have to wear anything underneath it in the photo. You know what, I'm going to just go to the photo because I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the photo. So it looks in the photo like you don't need to wear anything underneath it, but you do. Not because it's crazy short, but just the way that it is, and it's so low cut, and it's open here in the front. Even though you can tie it to the side like this, you still need to wear something underneath it. So I mean, not that it's a big deal, but I didn't think that I would have to. So I did. I mean, I have like plain black dresses in the house, so I just wore a plain black dress underneath. And I ended up not wearing it to my sister-in-law's rehearsal dinner. I ended up wearing pants that night because it was like rainy and really cold. So I just decided to do something different. But last week I actually wore this to my friend's baby shower. It was at a nice restaurant too, and it wasn't too cold. It was warmer than it was the day of the rehearsal dinner that I was going to wear it for. So I ended up wearing it for that. And it's very pretty. It's great for vacation and can be wore basically for summer, beach, party, vacation, and even daily wear, because it's casual, but it could be dressed up at the same time. It's very pretty. The V-neck design of the dress makes you look more mature, sexy, and charming. If you don't want too sexy, you can wear the camisole. It's recommended to choose 1 to 2 sizes up. Can be better to wrap bigger breasts. Has a deep V-neck. It's long sleeve. Unique tailoring to make each one distinctive feature. The printing of the actual item can slightly differ from the images. And they do have many different styles of this dress. It is A-line, it has an adjustable belt, and a flowy split, which I love. I love that it's a little bit flowy. So if you want to, it's forgiving in that way. It gives you the model measurements here in the picture I showed you. So her height is 173 centimeters, so she's 5'8", bust is 89 centimeters, 35 inches, waist is 60 centimeters, 24 inches, hip 90 centimeters by 35 inches. Wear is small. I bought a medium. I know it says to buy a size up, but I don't recommend that. I'm a medium and it fit me perfect. In fact, it was like even a little bit big. So I don't agree with the fact that it says, I don't agree with the fact that it says order a size up. I just ignored that. So it's up to you if you want to, but no, I think it's true to size, at least with this particular dress. And then it's hand wash. It's hand wash only with cold water, and do not bleach or tumble dry. It gives you, there's like a chart and stuff you can go by. I love that you could tie it in the front or on the side. The way I wore it is I just tied it in the front, but it's really pretty. Really nice. I love that it can be tied and it's designed like a wrap. That's something that definitely really drew my attention to it. Go inside. The same print is inside as outside. It's the tag right here. I guess this is the style number 795168, 100% polyester. And it says here, wash dark colors separately, no optical brighteners, do not soak, do not add fabric conditioner, and it is made in China. So I'm going to flip it over so you guys can see the back too. Such a beautiful design. I love the pink. And it's October, so like I felt like it was fine to wear to the bridal shower, and I didn't feel weird. Like I'm not like, oh, it's just a spring dress. Like I really think it's like an anytime dress. Perfect to wear to a baby shower or a rehearsal dinner or a date night or whatever. Can be dressed up with some pretty jewelry too, and this can go great over a bathing suit. I actually just recently was away and I took this with me and didn't end up wearing it, but I was planning on wearing it to dinner or just to the beach one of the days. And unfortunately, the day I was going to wear it to the beach, we did not make it to the beach because our cruise ship got stuck in a storm. So that's another long story, but I think it's perfect for vacation too. So I hope you ladies will try out this dress. Again, that is Milumia, Miluma. It's kind of like a long sleeve, cute, short party dress, really pretty, vintage, floral prints. Hope you guys try it, and I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching.